everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I have some Dolly mail to share with you. I got a couple of things. Target was having a sale, and first of all, in fact, let me move this box here. First, I got a little something for my 18-inch dolls. Clothes that they have for the Our Generation dolls fit American Girl dolls, and while I have to say the clothes for American Girl doll are way better as far as quality when it comes to comparison to Our Generation, but this is so inexpensive and it looked really cute, and it comes with a skateboard and everything. So I went ahead, got this. This isn't the highlight though. In fact, let me just show this to you real quick, and I'll probably do a Dolly dress up with this at a later date. But yeah, so this, I guess this must be a little wristband. She's got a little pink t-shirt, little sweatpants, little tennis shoes, and it looks like stickers that go on the little skateboard. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Very, 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 very cute. Okay, so this was just threw this in. It was an impulse buy. But the other thing I got, well, I got another Rainbow High doll. This is Margot Perla, or Margo De Perla. She is one of the dolls from Pacific Coast High. If you saw my previous video where I showed you Hallie Capri, which was my first girl Rainbow High doll, then you heard me yap about how I'm only going to buy these dolls if they're on sale. So she was on sale. She definitely feeds into my aesthetic as far as things like, I like the fact that she's supposed to be a jewelry designer. She's supposed to have tinsel in her hair, which I thought was very, very cool. I know a lot of people have already shown you these dolls, but I'm going to show you my doll. So let me get her out of the box and come right back. Okay, got her out. Again, for some reason, there are like 5 billion little tabby things stuck on this towel. And I think I got them all out, but they're tiny. And, oh no, see, here's one right here. And so now I don't know how to, I'm going to have to cut that out. Wow. Yeah, not sure what the deal is. This is, you know, reminiscent of Barbie. Too many tabby things holding stuff in. But I love the color here. It's an opalescent look to it, sort of like pastel rainbow, I guess you could say. And yeah, totally appeals to me. I love rainbows, and who doesn't love a rainbow? She's got these also sunglasses. I guess they all have sunglasses. Oh, is that little scratch on there already? Yeah. Looks like there's a scratch on there. I don't know if I did that getting it out of the box, or it was like that already. Well, that's kind of a bummer. She has a super cute purse. I really like the purse. It's actually functional, so you can put stuff in it. And then it's got this little drawstring, so it's like a nice tote. It says Paris on the front, Rainbow Paris. Alrighty. And of course she also comes with a stand, which again, at this price point, I think having a stand is excellent. I really, does it go this way? I have to figure that out. I'm still figuring these dolls out, honestly. Yeah, I think it goes this way. So I like the fact that she comes with a stand. And it is sort of a, it's kind of sparkly a little bit. Not, in fact, you probably barely can tell on camera. But it's got a little bit of sparkle to it. And now the doll. How pretty is she? So I was reluctant to get her only because, honestly, her skin tone is much paler than I would have liked. I mean, it would have been so nice if she was just a teensy bit dark. You know, a very light tan would have been really nice on her. I think it would look really cool. But I will say she's got some cute freckles. And let me see, does she have any? The other doll I got, Hallie Capri, had dirt on her face. This girl, I don't know, maybe right there. I'm not sure if that's some dirt. I don't know. Not sure what that is. Can barely see it, but I'm going to clean that up a little bit just in case. So she has the RR here, RH here. Yeah, that says RR backwards. I think, is that supposed to be an H? She also has pierced ears. She does not have any fingernail polish. And she also has this headband that is actually stuck on her head. So to take it off, again, I have more of those little thingies to cut out of her head. I think her hair is gorgeous. It's interesting. I did see one video where somebody was reviewing her and he did not like the tinsel in her hair, but to me, that's like one of the reasons I got her. Honestly, I love the color. Again, it's this sort of muted rainbow, pastel rainbow. You've got blues and purples, white. Yeah, and you know, when I first saw her, she looked like her hair was more all white. So the first couple photos of her I did not think were very good. Her hair is, let's see, there's some of the tinsel coming out. Ooh. Her hair does have product in it, but it's not horrible. I think with a comb out, and these dolls do not come with combs, which is kind of odd. I know most of them I thought come with combs. The boy doll River that I bought, he had a comb, so, and he didn't even have much hair. So it is kind of odd that she doesn't have a comb. But I can use his. River will let me use his comb on her. And yeah, so what is this? A little cover up, and she has, okay, so she has a bathing suit underneath. And the bottoms, that's kind of cool. It's got a kind of like an iridescent pattern to it. Nice. And it's got this little RH on there. And they do have, oh, so they have, oh, that's right. So this is a little plasticky thing to help it stay in place. That's not too bad. I noticed with the blue doll that I got in this series, the Capri, she had painted on panties. Let's see. Let's take a sneak peek. I don't know if I want to actually take her off, but yeah, she's got white painted on panties. So, which is okay. That's fine. At least they always have panties on, I guess. And yeah, so there's the same kind of iridescent pattern on her top. And she's got more of a lighter face up, but with freckles. She's got a nice pink lips. You can see her teeth a little bit. Beautiful eyes. Yeah, so she's got a little bit of purple and then dark blue and light blue eyeshadow. Yeah, she's really, really pretty. I'm thinking, actually, I think I like her even better than I like Holly. Or Haley, I guess. Haley. Yeah. I'm going to take this thing out of her head, though. Hold on. Let me be right back. Alright, holy guacamole. I got it off. That was a feat. I'm telling you, there were 3 tabs in here. And this is, I mean, the tabs are clear. And so the clear tab on this white fabric, which does have some iridescent to it, but it was really hard to see with these old lady eyes, let me tell you. So it's got a little Velcro in the back. This is cute. I like it. I just don't want it on her, you know, 24/7 like the rest of her life. Oh, dang it. See, here's another one of these. Like, really? Seriously? What is the point of this? God dang it. I don't like these. See, that could just, if you pull that, it's just, you're going to get a hole there. All right, so, okay. Calm down, Tammy. Her hair. So her hair is, when I took it out, I was concerned that maybe it was, you know, it was covering up a bald spot, but it's not. Her hair is actually quite nice. It is not thick like a typical Fakey Blythe hair is, but it's pretty thick. It's pretty nice. And again, it's got some, you know, product in it a little bit. And of course the tinsel it's not soft. Tinsel is not soft. So you're going to feel that a little bit too. But I think a little bit of combing out is all she's going to maybe need. I thought she was going to need a spa. Though I don't know. This, you know what, this right here is really hard. Since I have to spa Haley, I'll probably spa her too at the same time. Maybe I'll do a video and they can spa together on the video. But very nice doll. Again, these dolls are quite hefty feeling compared to like a Barbie or something like that. So she's got these really cool shoes too. Whoop, camera. These shoes look like they have a little pearl on the end. And then, yeah, so it says Rainbow. Rainbow. These are cute. All right, so interesting. So she's wearing her high-heeled feet, legs, and of course now they have the flat ones. So that's nice because now, you know, now that I have a couple of them, they at least have a little bit of clothes they can share. Yeah, I don't mind sewing for these, but it would sure be nice if there was some fashion packs for them that you could just buy. You didn't have to buy. As far as I know, and you know what? For those Rainbow High folks out there, let me know in the comments down below what the deal is as far as their clothes go. From what I can tell, they have a couple of these like closets you can buy, and in the closets are a bunch of clothes and shoes, but you have to buy it like all together, and it's something like, you know, it's not cheap. It's, I want to say $35-40 plus from what I've seen, and maybe you get a lot of clothes, but you can't just buy like an outfit. You have to buy a whole group of them with the closet and everything, and you know, I don't know if I'm up for that. So it would be nice if they were like Barbie and I could just buy a fashion pack. So, but we'll see. I do plan to try to sew. I think there's, to me, they feel similar enough as far as body goes to Blythe that I feel kind of comfortable about sewing with them. Obviously, they're bigger in the hips than a Blythe doll. Let's take her little thing. So she's much, you know, they're hippier than Blythe, I believe, but they're not as, their tops aren't quite as voluptuous as and I'm talking about the A-Zone fakey doll bodies, so not the traditional Blythe bodies. So yeah, she's really pretty. I really like her. I'm glad she was 50% off. Yay! Thank you, Target. So if you get some more 50% off Rainbow Highs, I'll be buying some more. But yeah, for the price, I'm very happy with her. I think she's really cute. You know what? I think she's my fave out of all of them in the Pacific Coast. I'm surprised because, like I said, I wish her skin tone was a little darker, but especially since she's supposed to be a beach chick. But you know, I was a pale beach chick too, so I get it. I'm still a pale beach chick. All right, you guys, let me know what you think of her in the comments below, and give me some tips about getting clothes for these gals if I don't feel like sewing. That would be super handy down below as well. As usual, I just appreciate a thumbs up. Please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't already. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need.